Hello, good day everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm honored to be speaking with these rock stars. I keep calling Hayal and Peter. My name is Kaia Parv. I'm the Chief Investment Officer at Credilink.ai. We are a technology infrastructure company based out of Singapore, and we build embedded lending solutions to third-party B2B platforms.
Karsten, I'm CEO for STARTRADER. We do retail, we do a lot of IB business, and we do a lot of institutional business, very high liquidity. And would love to do business with all of you guys.
Get in too late, the opportunity's gone, and you're not going to make any profit on that.
Totally agree with you. And it's whenever we look at a good opportunity, we have to remember that in the past there was another good opportunity, and in the future there will be another good opportunity. So you have to keep it in perspective. This good opportunity comes with risk, like any other opportunity. And if you decline, it means you can go ahead on the next one. That's the joy of missing out. If you don't trade, then there is a risk that you miss out. So you have both. But these opportunities, they come all the time. And when the next chance comes along, you do need enough dry gunpowder to be able to actually do something. And so risk and reward, every single trade comes with both. Lots of companies there that people can look at. So the interest in the market for fast food and for ultra-processed food is going up really quickly. The proportion of ultra-processed food eaten worldwide is continuing to go up. With that, you get cancer rates, so you get the opportunity to trade in companies that are good at oncology, pharma products, and so forth. So lots of opportunities in the world of food. There's a lot of innovation in food, new formats, ghost formats, and so forth, online food happening, and ultra-processed foods shooting up everywhere. So those are on the positive side. On the negative side, you see things like inflation, lack of workforce, effects like that, people choosing to eat healthily coming in as well. Those things are all linked. So all in all, that means that there's a lot of volatility in food, and the opportunity to make money by trading on that volatility is definitely there. So both, and sometimes people just go for safety and just jump into gold from because the investments into oil and gas are huge. $976 billion has already been committed into building new oil wells and new gas wells worldwide over the period until 2030. So that's a big number. So the total capacity of oil and gas production is going to go up heavily. The consumption is going up in oil and gas quickly worldwide. And you think, okay, well, that's not very nice. How about coal? All right. S&P coal index last 12 months increased by 80%, 80% up for coal index. Why? The coal consumption in India flying through the roof, coal consumption in China flying through the roof, both of them. So people who have been trading on those stocks going up, or trading on the index, the S&P index, like you said, educate ourselves. So we need to be aware of how wrong we've been in the past, so that we understand how wrong we are now, so that when we predict the future, we don't predict it based on thinking we're right. So historically, we've all been wrong. If we would have been right all the time, none of us would be in this room. The further back we look in our lives, the more wrong we were. That means we're really wrong now. But we can still function. We can still function. So when we make our decisions, it comes back to risk management 100%. We need to understand that we can't bet everything on ourselves, because historically we've proven to ourselves that we're wrong. But education really does help, educating ourselves.